Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Skillful Stenography English Shorthand Dictation. You are requested to please like and subscribe for clear sound English Shorthand Dictations. English Shorthand Dictation from Pitman Short and New Course Book. Exercise number 119. Start. Number 1. It is often felt that a speed of 80 words a minute in shorthand is adequate for ordinary business purposes. Full stop. However, some employers require a higher degree of skill, and they will not employ a stenographer who cannot write 120 words a minute. Full stop. Number 2. When you leave school, with a certificate which states that you have passed a test dictated at perhaps 80 words a minute, you must remember that you are not fully equipped to meet every demand of the business world, and you should endure to improve your skill and your knowledge. Full stop. If you wish to secure a position which pays a good salary, you should acquire a speed of at least 100 words a minute on all types of dictation. Full stop.